Yo, yo, yo. How's everybody doing? Alright. Do some game dev. Actually, I'm going to... see if I can... I can't post a story from here. Alright. Copy link, go to Instagram. Oh. Link. Second there. There we go. Okay, let's grab this guy again. All right, game dev time. Cool. So, game, Unity, Flappy. First things first. Let's make it so that right now those engines are on the wings all the time. So let's make it so that they turn on and off depending on the mode. So is that in my player? XR origin player. Glide mode is on the player. So let's go into our script here. We have reference to the player. Oh no, this is the player. We have reference to the physics hand, which the physics hand script is, that's not what I want. Let's just get rid of that. Physics hand script is on right here, physics XR rig, and then there's left hand, right hand, and that. Those have the physics hand script. And we need to find the Let's just, yeah, no, let's just add references here. Player, let's create a space, and then just called a header. No, I don't know. Header. Let's just copy that. Header, and then this is going to be glide mode. We actually might as well grab that and stick that down there. And then get a serialized field. And that's going to be mesh renderer. And that's going to be called engine mesh left, and then yes, engine mesh right. Cool. And then basically on collision enter, death true is dead. That's not the one we want. We want trigger checkpoint item. This is one we, nope, yes. Item triggered. Right, I don't actually have anything. Get glide mode is here. I'm just going to do it in update, and then I'm going to change it later. So we're going to say if glide, actually let's just do engine mesh left dot something active. Is visible. Equals, and then we'll say glide mode question mark. So if glide mode is on, this is gonna be true. And then if glide mode is off, this is false. Oh, actually I can just do that. Set property block? No. How do I? How do I trigger the mesh renderer being turned on and off? Oh, excuse me. So I got the mesh renderer. Should be able to access that, shouldn't I? Cast shadows, throw slate. Mesh render. I did something similar over here for what did I do that for? Not spawn point, not scene loader. Obstacle? This game object. No. Billboard, no. Game data. Physics, hands. Let's see here. That's my physics, okay. stable plate, left hand is right. What is death color? So it should just, oh, okay, so dot enabled, yeah, equals glide mode. There we go. Cool, and I'm just gonna do trigger in on trigger enter. So we're gonna move that later. Okay, so let's save it. Give that a try. Reload. So we're gonna start with the players here. With XR origin player script. So glide mode is on. So the renderers should be on. Let's give that a go. Oh no, I need to access these. So left hand, right hand. Left hand engine, mesh right. Oh, and I need to duplicate that in the script, don't I? So this is for right. Save that out. Save it. Boot, and a boot. All right. Let's give that a go. Are on here. That's cool. I'm gonna go inside, so I'm gonna let the wall kill me. So my engines do exist. There's my power up. Alright, don't really need to test it. I know this game works. Let's grab. Turn it off and then see what we get. XR origin, glide mode off. So no engines, and we are in flat mode. Hey, that works. Let's make the power up work. I still need to figure out what those errors are. All right, so we can stop that. Let's so player is here. Let's make, what plane is the player on? Z0 probably, yeah. Z0. Let's move it like up here, over to the side up here. So that way we can hit it. Let's just check. That is in line with us. Okay. It is. We should be able to hit it. Yes, we can hit it. Cool. It is. cool. Okay, and that has a collider on it. So, I think it's in our player script. Oops, that's YouTube. Player script. Okay, so we have on, and this is triggered. So we need to create void glide mode power up. Does that need to be? Yes. Let's make that enumerable. No, not enumerate for glide mode coroutine. I can spell properly. Okay. No, that needs to be definition. And let's just yield return null for now. Space glide mode. Let's create a serialized field float called glide mode duration. Should we make this 15 seconds? Just for fun. So we're gonna say glide mode equals true. And then that is yield return wait for seconds. And then glide mode duration. Does this have to be an integer? Cannot be used like a method. How did I use this before? In def. Reset game is in the scene loader. Reset game, destroy. New wait for seconds, okay. Right. New wait for seconds. Glide mode duration. There we go. So we should have glide mode for 15 seconds. And then after that is done, we change glide mode to false. We can do this now. So we can take this out of update. Let's actually just make this a function. Void update engine mesh equals glide mode, and then we will update. No, not update. Update engine mesh. Let's just do this. Update engine mesh. And then copy that. Paste that down there. Cool. Did we get rid of? Oh, we can get rid of that. And we got rid of the to-dos, which is good. So now we need to so object tag item. Okay, so we're gonna need to change this again later once we have other stuff, but because it's not just gonna be for this one. So I'm just gonna put, so if item, then we're just gonna start coroutine, and that's going to be glide mode coroutine. Oh no, and that gets a semicolon. So now that is getting called. Okay. See how we do. Unity. Okay. Checking to make sure we are not in glide mode. Correct. That's gonna bug me. I want to change the order here, just because that's gonna bug the crap out of me. X, V, save. All right. XR origin, glide mode is off. Duration is 15 seconds. Let's go. Oh, we need to set these a bit off by default. Okay, yeah, we have glide mode. Just get up here. What's happening here? I don't think it's triggering. Doesn't look like it is triggering. Okay. Do I need a separate? Do I need a separate trigger? No, probably need to put it on the, power up, because this collider is not, yeah. The XR origin. What is the player technically? Main camera, main camera. Do I have a player? Left hand, main, right hand, physics XR rig. What is tagged as player? Is there anything tagged as player? No. Okay. Well. Okay. We have rigid body. Player. Let's tag that as player. And then we're gonna need public. This is gonna need to be public. Enumerator. Let's actually first check that item triggered is getting triggered. Printing out to the console now. Yeah, it's not going to the console. So that is not working. Okay. So we are going to cut that. But I'm getting a checkpoint. Hang on. Do I just not have the tag? Physics, engine item, tag is not tagged. So we need to create a new item tag. There we go. Easy fix. Okay. Also, I want to change this so it's not right up in the corner. Let's bring it down. Kind of more over, kind of to the side, towards the center there. Okay, let's try that. That didn't work. Should be going through the collider by doing this. All right, we're getting the message. Item triggered. So, are we not starting the coroutine then? So, update engine mesh equals glide mode. So, glide mode equals true. What happens if I just put 15 in here? Glide mode equals true. When am I checking for glide mode in my physics hands? Fixed update. Yeah, so that should be grabbing at every frame. Let's give this guy a save. Let's check to see if that just needed to be an integer. Side to side because I haven't implemented that yet. Oops. Kind of want to check to see if it runs out. Oh, we're in live mode, are we? Nope, we're not. Okay, let's try that again. Sense as far as like gameplay is concerned later.
have to go to the washroom.
I'll be right back. All right, we are back. Before I forget, oh, this is still running. Before I forget, just make sure you wait for initializing before calling this API. Call to start subsystems without initializing. Start subsystems. Interesting. But before I forget, to do better check than item tag. Item trigger, you don't need that anymore. I guess I can just comment it out. Cool. Okay, player is done. Let's move over to Unity and set the engine mesh renderer to off. So we're not grabbing that every frame anymore. So double check to make sure that it starts with the mesh off. Cool. And then we have our mesh turned on.
QQ.
Okay. Get rid of you. We are printing a whole bunch of stuff that I don't need anymore. At least I don't think I need. Let's go to player physics hands. Let's get rid of. We got debug.name, target name plus. Get rid of that guy. And let's go to player. I don't need to update the score anymore. It's probably in game data. Debug.log current score. Don't need that guy anymore. We have it on the screen. Okay. Let's see. How are we going to make it? We need to turn left and right. Okay. We're gonna do that by pitch, I believe. Here's the thing, is do I want, because I can do two things. I can have it so that up and down applies a certain amount of force going in the opposite direction of the arm, so that you could potentially twist them like ailerons on an airplane. Or I could make it so that it's the actual pitch, or I could do both. First of all, let's set a angle, minimum Z angle. Okay, glide mode, Z, bounds angle 30 degrees. Got here. So gotta figure out what. Let's just make a bool in Z bounds. If and in Z bounds. We're gonna check for that. Return true for now. Okay, we gotta figure out what these are. And these are probably gonna be different. Let's grab, so this is gonna be again. So right hand. Okay, so I do need let's copy this guy. But I'm going to print HMD, so target dot rotation dot Euler angle dot X. I'm gonna see what that is. Unity. Let's turn glide mode on. XR origin. Glide mode on. Get rid of our engine item. Don't need it. Okay. Cool. Okay, right. Controller. Right hand controller goes down. So that's gonna be 90 all the way down. $360. Is that 180? 180 out the side? Hang on. I'm confused. Am I not getting the right? Oh, so was it X rotation before, not when the Z rotation? Hang on. I might be looking at the wrong one. So X rotation, HMD, X, yeah. Target rotation Z, hang on. So I'm looking at, wait a second. Z. My brain is doing some stuff here. HMDX, HMDX, transform Z, target rotation Z. Because that should be. Z 270. Euler angle X. Okay, let me explore this a little bit more then. So I am getting. So that is right hand controller 0. And then we're hitting the wall, so we gotta wait a second. Is this? Yeah, so it's 45, 35. Oh, it's because my... Yeah, right. Okay. Because the orientation of the actual device is different. It's not the world position, it's the device position. Dum-dum. Okay, so let's look at... dot rotation dot Y. Might be Y. Okay. This should be more accurate to what we're looking for. Okay. So right hand. Does that change? Not. Okay. I want to rotate. Okay. Right hand controller 50, 360, 10. Yeah, no, that's up and down this way. 0, 180. Yeah, okay, so it's not that, it's probably Z. Or Z. Okay, so we are outputting Solution Z. Well, that doesn't make sense. I mean, am I looking at... That would mean I'm looking at the same thing as this. My brain's like, no. I'm just gonna check live. Am I doing this properly? Okay, so that isn't doing anything. So that's... So it is working as it's supposed to. Oh, it is global position. grabbing let's grab X. Okay, let's see what X rotation is. Confirm that. Right hand. Die here. Looks like that. So it is. So, okay, right hand. Okay, return whether the target opposition.Euler angle is less than is greater than 360 F. This needs to be brackets. 360 F minus whatever our angle is. Z bounds angle. Or target rotation is less than the Z bounds angle. And then else, which is going to be our let's not include that yet. Let's grab this guy up here. See what angles we're looking at here. This actually even need the if. So we just need to return whether that is true. Okay. And in Z bounds, so that should only work if we're in that range, hopefully. See what Unity has to say. Where's my controllers? We can always adjust it later if needed. Okay, so that's good. Okay. Visual Studio. We don't need that log that we had before. Okay. This guy's gotten bumped. Okay. Wing force. So we can add, so we want to add X force. So let's create float X force equals, initialize that. And the grab X force. Serialize field. Float X force multiplier. Just do 1F by default just to check. X force equals angle down times x force multiplier times x force multiplier. And then we're going to need to, oops, one of these needs to be so left hand is going to be positive, right hand is going to be negative. If I'm reading my gizmo correct, so right hand is going to be negative angle up down times force multiplier. And then we need to apply that. X force. Can give that a try. Let's try a different number. Left hand, right hand, physics, x force multiplier 10. See if that does anything. Might shoot us out of bounds. So this needs to be swapped. And then we need to apply minus player dot rigid, not run in edit mode, what does that mean? Dot, oh, player rigid body dot velocity dot x. See how that does. That'll be probably way too much. 10, but see how that goes. first of all, I'm going to go into here and I'm going to create pitch, speed, threshold angle, header glide mode, serialize, field. Ooh, no. What are you doing? Field, bool. Aileron mode equals. Let's make it false in script. Make it true. And then we'll say we'll be able to call that conditionally. Ternary operator. Use a ternary operator there. Okay, force multiplier. So these need to go back. There. Save that out. And then this needs to, we need both these guys. Force multiplier 10, let's make it 25. Have this as a setting actually, so you can actually choose in settings whether you want aileron mode. You want bank mode. That's cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. Have a setting. Okay, now let's look at the other version of this. So, so I'm calling it this one, and then we're gonna do X force equals. I'm gonna grab. Versus angle axis. And we're gonna say unity. What's the difference here? So this is going to be rotation dot Euler angles dot magnitude. No. Angle dot x. And then this is gonna give me like 360. Yeah, so how do I get the negative value of that? Say unity get rotation as negative. To get rotation value as in the inspector. Their direct way to what is this unwrap angle? It's gotta be from something. I'm just gonna brute force it. Okay, so I'm just gonna say float. Float. X rot. X rot equals so if this is less than equal to 180, we're just going to return that. And if not, then we will return so for example 270. So if I want 360 minus 30, so 330. Because if I do 330 minus 180, that's not what I want, no. 330 minus 360 equals negative 30. So we're gonna do minus 360. X force equals X rotation so we need math f dot clamp X rotation between negative z bounds angle and z bounds angle. And then we're gonna divide that by z bounds angle. Okay. That guy needs to go. Okay. And then I bet this guy needs to be negative. That guy can actually go down here. But I don't need to do it twice. And then this line can be put down here without the negative, and we'll test to see if that works. Nothing. All right. Let's take a closer look here. Really need to look at those guys at some point. Okay. Math F clamp, X rotation. X rod, X force is still being applied, yes. Ew, we're not, multiplying it by X force multiplier. So we can get rid of that. Do I want it in there or do I want it out here? Unity, you can. There we go. Cool. Let's go down in here and see how it works. Hit game. We've got bank mode, aileron mode. Kind of think I need the bounce to be a little bit bigger though for bank mode. Let's change these guys. Hooks law, glide mode, threshold angle. What is threshold angle? Threshold angle. Don't think I'm using it anywhere. If I comment it out, save, does the game run? So I think that's what that originally was supposed to be. Yeah, it still runs. Okay, so we are going to get rid of this guy. Call this guy. Save, and then we'll make that guy 50. Threshold angle, let's call it 45 degrees. That's for another time. Okay, cool. So we got that going. Now let's just make it so that we have this aileron mode. So we're going to say x-force equals aileron mode Question mark. So aileron is on, we'll do that. The aileron is not on. Grab that guy. And then same thing here. Just get rid of both these guys. Do that. And get rid of the negatives there. Okay. So are we on aileron mode? On. Cool. It works. Okay. So that's working. What to do next? Should we try and make a shield? Let's do it. Let's go into player. Let us grab that. Do that. Shield. Serialize field. Bool. Shield active equals false. Okay. Create a shield. So we have item. Oh yeah, shield is going to be triggered by the player. So yeah, shield will be triggered by player. Let's make our shield here. So back in Unity. Might as well save. Did we save? We did save, apparently. Okay, player. Main camera. Death color. So let's duplicate that guy. Call it shield. Turn the mesh renderer on, which I have no idea where this is. Ah, there it is. Gonna need a new material here. Materials, engine mat, ground mat, dead. Duplicate that. Call it shield. And then that's gonna be like bright color. Then we're going to go to shield, and then we're going to drop the shield material on the shield. Obviously it doesn't work like that. Shield on shield. There we go. Okay, so this scale can be 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Let's see how that goes. So that's still pretty close here. Let's make it 1 shield, 1, 1, 1. So that is there. It does look really weird, like clipping like this, but whatever. Should turn glide mode off. I don't want glide mode anymore. Yeah, I mean it works. Some lights and see, maybe it'd be more obvious. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, we need to prevent ourselves from hitting anything. So if I look at that, so shield, we're gonna call a sphere collider. That is not a trigger. Let's call ourselves a rigid body as well. Make it kinematic. Collision detection is going to be continuous dynamic. I'm going to freeze the rotation. Okay, now our player should also have a rigid body somewhere else. Capsule collider. So our capsule collider is that one there, which is on the main camera. Do I have a rigid? Okay, the rigid body's there, but the rigid body capsule collider is there. Okay, so we need to make the shield just a little bit bigger. 2.5. Capsule collider, player. Where does Spotify go? That was weird. Anyways. So this will probably still trigger. I'm gonna add a new layer called shield just to make sure. Back to our shield, we're going to put this on layer shield, and then we're going to go into our project settings, physics, and we're going to deselect shield to shield to shield with player. See if we can die. Ideally, we shouldn't, but. Need to turn this thing on. Oh, we're still dying. Still colliding there. Yeah, we need to do some code. Player checkpoint on collision. Collision deadly. Stop. Start co-routine. Okay, is dead is true. Probably getting confused actually because we have two colliders and rigid bodies. I would assume. So, I mean, I can keep that. Let's go back to our shield inspector. Remove these components. We'll just check if shield mode is active. Okay, so let's create a public get glide mode. We'll get shield mode. What did I call the thing? Shield active. Get shield active. Shield active, and then we will just return shield active. Okay, and then we will say if and not shield active. Here, we need another mesh renderer. Serialized field mesh renderer. Shield mesh. And then that will be assigned, and then we'll say shield mesh dot enabled equals shield active. Cool. And then to do move from update, so we'll switch that out later. All right. What happened to our shield here? Let's actually just set this back to 1, 1, 1, 1. We go to player. Mesh render should be off by default. And then we will grab the XR origin player script. Shield mesh is going to be shield. Alrighty. Spaghetti. Shield mode is on. So when we load in, shield should be on. We shouldn't be taking any damage. It's pushing our player back. So we will get pushed out of the world probably. I don't know. It's kind of it's working. Yeah, okay, we got pushed out. Interesting. Okay, so we gotta figure out a way to solve for that. Look at Unity get XR button press. So Oculus grip. It's gonna be called grip. What do I call it? XR interaction toolkit.
Hey, how are you? Today we're going to be taking some time to toolkit. I have a whole series going over the base that'll fire once the button is in the down position.
That's not what I want. Let's see what Justin has.
You do realize you don't have to do all of it.
Justin. Sockets. Animate hands. New input system.
What is Unity's new? Show you how this works. We're in a break. Just so our stuff. Now we should. We're going to map all of the different values. There we go. This is going to be
set player movement, demo 1. Code part into
Start off
using the new input system.
Now the last question is, how do you use this in VR? Does it still work? All that. So yeah, it does work. You can go to edit, private settings, package manager, enable preview packages, and then window package manager. Just go all the way to the bottom and go to
Let's see. Do I have just like XR rip Unity, just to see like an example. See what this one says. So we want grip. Input devices. If device.try get value Unity XR community trigger button out trigger value and trigger value. XR. If I go using the engine.xr, then let's see on update if input see. Well, I think that's it for the stream today. I am going to go through this a little bit more